In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and customize the audit log in Jira. This tutorial is perfect for users who want to have more control over their Jira operations and ensure that they are up to date with the changes within their workflow. By the end of this video, you'll have a thorough understanding of how to access and tailor the audit log to fit your team's needs. Let's get started. First things first, to access the audit log, you'll begin by navigating to your Jira homepage. This is your main hub where you can manage all your projects and settings. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the settings icon, a crucial tool for accessing a variety of options within Jira. Click on it and from the drop-down menu select System. This will navigate you to an array of system configurations and options. Now with the System section open, look for the Troubleshooting and Support category on your sidebar. Within this category, you'll find the option for the audit log. Click on this and it will display a detailed log of all the changes that have taken place within your Jira instance. Next, you might want to filter what you see. To do that efficiently, utilize the time filter option. This allows you to view entries distinctively by time or specific date ranges. It's a handy feature if you're interested in checking activities around certain periods or identifying specific change patterns. Once you've filtered the log entries to your liking, you can click on any individual log entry to delve deeper into the details. This will provide you with more information about the specific changes, including who made them and any intended purpose noted at that time. Customizing your audit log is another handy feature that helps align Jira with your organizational policies. To begin tailoring the log settings, navigate to the top right of the audit log section and click on the action button Present there. Select Audit Log Settings from the drop-down menu to open up customization options. One important customization option is the retention period for your audit logs. Find the drop-down menu titled Retention Period, and here you can choose how long you'd like to store your logs. It could be 1 month, 3 months, or even up to 6 months depending on your policy or compliance requirements. Additionally, you might come across an option to hide the external user directory. There is a checkbox labeled Hide External User Directory, which you can select if you prefer not to display this information in your audit logs. This step is completely optional and depends on your privacy needs. Once you have made all your selections and adjustments in the settings, ensure that you click Save to apply all changes effectively. This confirmation step ensures that all configurations you've set are retained and functional moving forward. And there you have it, a straightforward method to check and personalize your audit log in Jira. With these steps, you can maintain a well-organized and easily reviewable log system that caters specifically to your team's requirements. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Jira tips and tutorials. Catch you next time.